Fall sports will look a little different this year at Blaine High School. The familiar Bengal colors will be there as always, but the field itself is getting an upgrade. New synthetic turf is part of a project to improve the fields at all 5 Anoka-Hennepin high schools. It took contractors about a month to remove the grass field and prepare the surface for synthetic turf at Bengal Stadium. It was a big part of the project, which totals $1.2 million. School officials say the cost of maintaining the grass field was going up, and Anoka-Hennepin was the only school district in the Northwest Suburban Conference without synthetic turf. Blaine High School's activities director says the synthetic field will help more kids get playing time in the stadium.
We think this is a really beautiful place. We think there's a lot of history here. And in the past, we really had to limit the amount of games we could play on it because the grass would get ripped up. So we really limited this to varsity sports.
Shannon Garrity says that means some student athletes could play 4 years and unless they played at the varsity level, might never play in the school's major stadium. Now, as a team of workers roll out the new turf in 5-yard sections, the field is expected to see more use earlier in the spring and later in the fall, increasing the stadium's usage by up to 4 months a year. And this year, it will be ready in time for fall sports.
We're going to use the heck out of this because we want every kid to experience playing, practicing, being in this great venue of Bengal Stadium.
Officials hope the field use can be expanded from 65 events a year, including football, soccer, and lacrosse, to more than 245, and at the same time provide a consistent playing surface. Usage may be expanded to marching bands, dance, and other programs, giving more students a stadium experience.
And the lights and the sound and the scoreboard and the stands, and it's just a place where I think a lot of kids as they grow up in this area dream to play inside of this area. And we couldn't offer that to everybody before because the grass couldn't handle it. Now we get to offer that. So it's really good for our entire community. It's good for our schools. It's good for all levels, all ages, all sports. It's awesome.
Other obvious added benefits include quicker drainage after a rainfall and less maintenance like watering and, of course, mowing.